Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of insurance. Specifically, we'll be answering to important questions. First, what is insurance and why do we need it? And second, how much insurance do you actually need? Stick around. We've got some insights that could save you big time. Before we get started, let me ask you a question. What would you do if your house suddenly caught fire and everything you owned turned to ashes? Or picture this, you're involved in a serious car accident and face massive medical bills. These scenarios might seem far-fetched, but they do happen and they can completely derail your financial life. That's where insurance comes in. It's your safety net. In simple terms, insurance is a way to protect yourself and your loved ones from unexpected and often devastating financial events. When you buy an insurance policy, you're essentially buying peace of mind. It's like creating a shield against life's uncertainties. Now, we'll unpack the details in just a moment, but first, here's a quick overview. Think of insurance as a contract between you and an insurance company. You agree to pay a regular amount called a premium, either monthly or yearly, and in return, the insurance company promises to cover specific losses as outlined in your policy. For instance, if you have car insurance and you get into an accident, the insurance company will pay for the damages to your vehicle up to the coverage limit specified in your policy. But how does insurance work? Well, it's based on two fundamental principles. First is risk pooling. By combining premiums from a large number of people, insurance companies create a pool of money to cover the losses of a few. So instead of each person having to pay the full cost of potential damages, everyone chips in a small amount through their premiums. Second is risk transfer. You transfer the risk of a financial loss from yourself onto the insurance company. Say you have health insurance. If you need medical treatment, you don't have to worry about the hefty price tag. Your insurance company takes that risk on. Of course, this is all based on the terms and conditions in your policy. Now that you have a basic understanding of insurance, let's move on to the next question. How much insurance do you need? The answer isn't one size fits all. It depends on several factors unique to your situation. But here's a general approach to help you figure out your insurance needs. The first step is to assess your assets. Think about your home, your cars, your personal belongings, even your income. All of these things have value and they need protection. Once you've figured out the monetary value of your assets, it's time to look at your liabilities, things like your mortgage or any loans you have. These numbers will give you a clear picture of what you have to protect. Next, consider the risks you face. Is your home prone to flooding? Does it have a history of break-ins? Is your car often damaged due to weather conditions? Evaluating these risks will help you determine the type and amount of insurance you need. Once you've determined your needs, it's time to start shopping for policies. Get quotes from multiple insurers, compare coverage limits, deductibles, and prices. Remember, a lower deductible means higher premiums and vice versa. Online comparison tools are great for this, but talking to an insurance broker can also be helpful. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need insurance? It's a good question, and here's a couple of points to ponder. First, think about the peace of mind it provides. Knowing you're covered in case of emergencies allows you to navigate life with less worrying. It's like having a financial safety buffer. Second, insurance protects you from catastrophic losses. A single event like a car crash or a house fire can be financially devastating without insurance. It could wipe out your savings, force you to take loans, or even push you into bankruptcy. Insurance prevents these extreme outcomes by spreading the financial burden over a larger group of people who all chip in through their premiums. Third, insurance is often a necessity. Many things are legally required, like car insurance in most states or home insurance if you have a mortgage. Remember, insurance is tailored to your needs. Whether it's protecting your home, your car, your health, or your life, there's an insurance policy designed for it. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Secure your future today with the right insurance coverage. As we wrap up our discussion, I want to touch on a common misconception. Some believe that insurance is just an unnecessary expense, something to avoid if you can. However, this viewpoint overlooks the immense value insurance brings to your life. Yes, insurance involves regular payments, but these payments are an investment in your financial well-being. They create a safety net, shielding you from the unexpected. Think about it this way. Would you rather have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you reinsured or risk facing potentially devastating financial consequences down the road? The choice is clear. Insurance isn't just a cost. It's a smart financial move. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful financial tips. Your support means a lot to us. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right insurance knowledge, you're empowered to make informed decisions and secure your future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay smart, stay informed, and stay secure.